Hey guys, this is Elliot with DubSplash. So this is our 8th annual DubSplash. Most of you guys know they closed Sandy Lake last year, which is the end of chapter 1. But we decided to have a chapter 2. Mark Lowey's been after me for a long time to come out here and check out Joe Pool Lake. So we're doing it out here this year with the help of our DOK brothers and getting it done out here at Joe Pool Lake for our 8th annual DubSplash. So we're excited about the new year, the new time of year. We are getting rid of all of the 100-degree days and getting out here on the water. So it kind of goes in with splash. What do you think, E?
Sounds perfect to me.
So anyway, we didn't have long to really pull this off, but we're pretty excited because this is actually, we had 130 some odd cars more than we ever had pre-registered for DubSplash. So we don't know what to expect this year. We're not sure if it's going to be bigger, going to be smaller, what challenges are going to be in store for us, but we're excited about the new challenge and looking forward to having everybody out here.
The park is a little bit more conducive to a much larger show though, so this can grow into something a little bigger.
Yeah, it's absolutely more conducive to a much bigger show. We've got acres and acres, probably what out here? Probably 100 acres or something like that we could grow into out here.
Sure.
We've got the beach, which is more conducive to the young water-cooled crowd getting in the water, so that should be fun.
Volleyball.
We've got volleyball, and one of the big things this year is Scotty Garvey, our club swim wagon mechanic, has got that thing all conditioned and ready to get in the water.
We're going swimming.
We're going swimming.
We're going swimming.
With Captain Ethan at the helm.
That's right.
And last time, maiden voyage, he got stuck like Chuck.
That's correct.
We're excited about the event, and we're excited about all the participation and about our new partners. Just everything we got going on.
So there's a lot of growth.
Take it to the next level.
I like it. Well, thank you guys so much. We're out.
Absolutely. Peace out. They built this car started 4 years ago for our buddy Braun, who died probably 4 or 5 years ago. Family's here. That's awesome. So we've already given this car away once. We gave it to Walter Hill, and that was how long ago? 3 years ago? 3 years ago. Walter Hill left us this year, and his family felt that it was important that it come back to the community because that's what he wanted. And so y'all give him a hand. One ticket. 7182116. Yeah! Give it up for the Walter Hill Memorial Beetle. Thanks for coming out to DubSplash 2019. We're looking for you for DubSplash 2020. Be safe, pick your trash up, have fun.